Let's see how FieldX simplifies preventive maintenance scheduling for coffee machines, ensuring efficient planning and optimal performance. In this demonstration, a monthly maintenance schedule is set, showcasing FieldX's flexibility. The system offers customizable reminders, 14 days before, 7 days before, and 2 days after maintenance. These notifications help with resource planning and future job and spare parts management. Let's look at how we can customize frequencies. This frequency is set to a monthly schedule, but FieldX allows flexible scheduling, weekly, monthly, or yearly, tailored to each coffee machine's maintenance needs. Link schedules to any job order type that would need maintenance, enable auto-generated job orders, and set certain day exclusions. Not only that, but after setting up the schedule specification details, spare parts can also be pre-assigned for maintenance for easy planning and assignment. Now let's see how this schedule affects the equipment. Let's use the Bean Roaster 200 model to schedule the preventive maintenance. In the Maintenance Schedule section, users can link a template of their choice. Before that, they must define the start and end conditions, either by contract duration or until the coffee machine reaches a specific status like machine disposed. Here, the monthly maintenance template is selected. Notice that FieldX offers two scheduling options. The first option is only upon previous completion, which works just like car maintenance. If preventive maintenance completes on January 1st, the next one generates on February 1st. The second option is Generate All Maintenance, which automatically creates schedules based on configured start and end dates, regardless of completion status. Tick the box if you want job orders to be automatically generated, and the date reminders configured earlier appear here. Clicking Save shows how FieldX generates different preventive maintenance schedules based on the start and end dates for the specified duration. Each of these maintenance events automatically creates a job order that can be assigned to technicians just like any other job order. For this demonstration, the preventive maintenance task is being assigned to Sean. And there it is. The preventive maintenance task is now assigned for Sean to acknowledge and complete.